So right now I'm in this new resort that's called as Domes by Jade, and right behind you could see the Domes by Jade. I'll give you a room tour. There are multiple rooms in this. So one is this, and other one there's a yellow one that's there. One is yellow one, other one is blue one is ours. There are a few others. One is red color also, but let me see. Give a tour, complete detailed tour. So this is how the Dome by Jade looks like, and this is their living room or the hall, and it looks fantabulous with a good view to सामने दिख रहा है. Here we have Wi-Fi. This is one bedroom. It's a dome, and we have a bathroom here. The bathroom, super big. Well, that's very spacious. Let me just check with another bedroom. This is another bedroom, similar type with the dome mast and a proper bathroom. So my friends are yet to come in, so before that I have come. Thing is perfect. We have blue and yellow. So in the blue one we also have a room upstairs. They even have a good music system here. Let me see how does it look from the top. Wow. Like, this is the point of view that you're getting it straight from the top. So that's also ours, yellow one. But this is the view that you're getting. And imagine the point of view that you get from here, from the bed, where the AC is there. The straight you get up and you see the good view. Like fab. My friends are come, so let me go down. So I thought it was the pool was only in the yellow one. Sorry, correction. Now in the blue one, I just got to know that we have a pool here also. And this is a slightly deeper pool than the yellow one. So I think in that case, this is outdoor pool. That's an indoor pool in yellow. This is an outdoor pool in the. So I think both are pool. Even red one also has a pool there.